Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still under selling pressure. Yeah, we haven't seen much movement since the last update. Bitcoin is obviously in an oversold area, oversold range. I explained that in detail in the last video, that we have an oversold RSI on the daily chart, but really only the daily candle close counts can still change throughout the day. For now, the overall focus remains firmly here on the white scenario. The idea is still that we are moving down in a so-called ending diagonal from the B wave high that formed on the 30th of January. Current thesis is we are in a larger degree wave 4. And we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2. This is seen as an A, B, C in wave 3. Could still go a little lower in that third wave, then another 4, then another 5. I see that pattern across several altcoin charts at the moment as well. And yeah, for example, Solana is one of them. Yeah, might get at least one more 4-5 pattern. I'm not sure if we get really 2 4-5 patterns. Sometimes that last low doesn't happen here. But Bitcoin, to be fair, a lot of people are super bearish now. I mean, okay, altcoin sector, I can understand. A lot of coins are breaking. And to be honest, I'm already filtering regarding the coins that I'm covering, that I cover the ones that I believe have at least a chance. But most altcoins I'm not even covering, and most of them are bearish, right? They have not even participated in the bull market. But with regards to Bitcoin, I mean, we are still holding way above critical support on the daily time frame, which is at $69,000. We are even holding above the 75k level, which is the 50% retracement on the larger time frame. But again, this here is just a focus on the smaller time frame in this video, and the downside pressure remains. But I'm watching for the beginning of an internal fourth wave bounce. Okay, so we talked in the last video that maybe wave 4 has started already, but there was no confirmation for it essentially. But that the potential is there from here. Okay, it made a marginally lower low, but nothing that changed anything. All I had to do was to adjust resistance slightly. So for this wave 4, which could then lead to one more low in wave 5 of C of circle wave 3. For this wave 4, standard resistance is between 88,466 and 92,618. This is standard resistance. Any break above it would indicate that circle wave 3 already completed. This is possible because the move down is long enough to be all of circle wave 3, even though I would prefer circle wave 3 to extend a little more, typically into the area. I mean, that is sort of a typical area here, the area between the 123.6 and 138% extension. Third waves can even extend. So for now, I assume this wave count that I've got on the chart is playing out. The market would need to give me a reason to believe something different. How could it do that? Well, for example, through a break above initial resistance, which is at 92,618. Yeah. And in addition to that, okay, if we break above it and it's still a corrective rally, it might simply be circle wave 4. But that would be the alternative for now. The primary scenario is that we need one more low to complete circle wave 3, then a corrective rally, then one more low, and it might send us eventually closer to the well 80k level, 79.9k here. We'll see, but yeah, for now the situation is unchanged. Resistance is clear. Next support levels are clear as well. We're clearly caught in a correction. What I said in the previous video is that if the daily RSI goes any lower, yeah, and if the price reaches 85k next, sort of this 123.6 extension, I'll buy another small batch, a position spot. And I'm also going to look for a more aggressive long trade position in futures, but I won't do that until we get further evidence that actually a low has formed. Yeah? Overall, situation hasn't changed, so I will keep an update, keep an eye on the chart here, of course, more than ever. I'll keep you updated for latest updates. Check our gold membership, but you are well informed, even if you just follow us on X or so. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on our main channel, MCO Global. You'll find the link in the description. Yesterday I covered a very interesting topic, which is Bitcoin versus M2. Really good indicator to tell us when a potential turnaround could happen. And I also, if you're wondering about the RSI, I made a video about that a few days ago as well, about an indicator that typically doesn't fail, which is the daily RSI. You'll find that on here as well. This video here. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.